Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change payout date on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. So first of all, open your admin panel and go to settings and select payments. Select your payment provider and then click on manage. Scroll down and here you'll find payout schedule options. So if you want to change the payout date, you can select here every business day, every week, or every month. So I'm going to select here every month, and day 1 you can select any day from this list and click on save. So this was the way we can change payout date on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.